So, Nathan, we've come to the end of the build. It's handover day. We've had a great time building your van. It's been one of the bigger builds that we've done. The suspension, everything really. It's all been real good. So for you, I just want to get your opinion of how you found it. You know, is it what you want? You know?
Oh, it's exactly what I want. So I think you've absolutely nailed it. So I know I came at you with a very long list of things I wanted done, and I couldn't be happier with the way it's turned out. You've done an amazing job. It looks amazing. So I think my biggest problem is going to be I have to sit inside it and I get to sit outside and look at it while driving around. So it's I can't thank you guys enough. You've all absolutely killed it. So.
Excellent. Well, it's great to hear. The floor, I think, is going to work really well for you and your work.
Yeah.
So that was, the first time for us doing that kind of thing. However, it worked really well. We had a great idea. We've got a great team, and it all come together awesome. So I'm glad it's what you're after. And congratulations on a great van.
Thank you very much.
Come and see us again. We'd love to see it and see how it works for you.
Definitely.
All good.
Fantastic.
Thanks, man.
All right. Cheers.